we'll be constructing a circle that passes through a fixed point A and touches a line at a given point B. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to actually label what we're doing. So we're going to go multi-line text, and we're going to turn on snap, and we're actually going to start right there. All right. The height of the text would be 4 millimeters. So we select 4 millimeters. So let us label that now. To construct a circle that passes through a fixed point A and touches a line at a given point A. All right, so this is what we set out to do now. What we're gonna do, we're going to enlarge it a little bit so it takes up less space. All right, so I'm gonna click here, pull it across. Click here, click here. All right, now all right, let's put a full stop at the end of A, all right, to be all right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna draw the baseline. So we're gonna go to our construction layer. We're gonna start now. So we're gonna draw a line. Gonna draw a line there, and this measurement would be 110 millimeters. Good. Enter. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna draw a line right here to represent B. All right, this is just a construction line. So we're gonna turn off snap. We're just gonna click. We're gonna turn on ortho. And just gonna click. All right, let's just turn on the snap. All right, enter. This represents B. So let us label B. Single line text. I'm gonna turn off object snap and the snap, and we're gonna select right here. So this point is B. B. All right. Let us move this down a little bit. So we're gonna move the B and the label down. All right. Now A is 40 millimeters to the right of B, and it goes up. So we can actually draw a line over there. So we can go turn on object snap, and we can actually go there. We're gonna go over 40, and then we're gonna go up 70, enter. All right, this point is A, so let us label it. Gonna turn off object snap, and this point would be A. All right. All right. So the first step is to draw a perpendicular at A. All right. So we want a circle to pass through B and A. So the first step is to construct a perpendicular at A. So we're gonna go Need to turn on object snap. There, the radius will be there, and there is our semicircle. Enter. What we're gonna do, we're gonna draw two more arcs equal to the same radius of 20 millimeters. So we're gonna go center start in, and we're gonna come here. The radius will be 20. And we're just gonna come like, we need to turn off snap. All right, we're gonna mark another arc again. So the center would be here. The radius would be 20. And there it is. All right. We're going to mark another arc from these two intersecting arcs. So we're going to go arc. We need to turn off snap and turn on object snap to pick up this intersection. Right, so this radius would be 20. Need to turn off ortho. Good. Need to draw another arc from this intersection. The radius would be 20. All right, so the line drawn through the intersecting arcs that will be 90 degrees. So we're actually going to come here, go there, press enter, and then extend. We don't need to add, we're going to extend it. All right, so that's 90 degrees. Okay? The next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a line from A to B. So we're going to draw a line from construction line from A to B. Enter. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to copy this angle, right? I'm going to copy this angle so we can actually label this line C. So let's label it. This is C, so we're going to go single line text. I'm going to click right here. Enter, enter. This will be C. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy this angle ABC. So if that angle is 30 degrees, we're going to draw 30 degrees along the line BAO. And you'll see what O is in a little while what it is. So what you would do if you're using your traditional instruments such as your T-square and set square and compass, what you would do, you would measure, you could draw an arc. Let me draw the arc for you. So you go start, center, end. The start will be here. This radius was what? 20, so we can make an arc about 25 or 22. Enter, and look now. We draw this arc now. See? What you could actually do now is draw an arc over here, radius 22. This is how you would copy. So you go arc, center, start, end, right? This radius will be 22, and you mark this arc, press enter, and you mark this arc, just like that. But the arc will be bigger than this arc or equal to that arc for it to work. And the next thing you're gonna do now, you're going to let me label this point. Let me label this point. So this single line text, this point right here. We're the 20, gonna turn off objects now. This point right here. We're gonna make the height a little bit smaller. So we're gonna make it 4. Let's call this point Z. All right. So what you would do now, you would put your compass at Z, which is at this point, and mark an arc. So let me do that for you. So you go. Um, center, center start. All right, so we're gonna try this one. So the center would be, we need to turn on object snap to pick up this intersection, which will be here. Good. It would be there. All right, so this arc, let us measure this arc and see now. So we're gonna drop down this and we're gonna choose radius, and we need to click on it to see what's the radius. All right, this radius is 11.29. All right. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw an arc from here, center start in, and the radius would be 11.29. Enter. When we draw this arc now, good. This is how you would have copied the angle using the traditional instrument. So the line drawn from A to this intersection, that would be the copied angle, right? And what we would do now is extend this line to intersect BC. Well, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the extend command to extend it. So we type extend, and if we click on this line, it would have been extended. Enter. All right. So this is how you would have copied the angle. All right. So where this line intersect BC, that is O. So let us label this O. Need to turn off object snap. I'm going to select here O. Specify the height would be 8. Right, and this would be O. Now what we're going to do, we're going to move it. So we're going to go move. All right. Now O represent the center of the circle. Right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna move it down a little bit like this. Right? So O represent the center of the circle. So we're gonna go circle. You turn on object snap to pick up the intersection. So there. To there. Enter. And this is a circle. So let us put the circle now on the outline layer. And this will be the circle. All right. So good job if you got it correct. And what we did was we constructed a circle which passes through a fixed point A and touches a line at a given point B. All right, so good job. We have come to the end of today's video on the channel called CAD with Mr. Hugh. We aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. In the next video, we'll be looking at first angle projection, so please join us in that video. Take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.